What's up, everybody? And we're back with, I believe it is number 7 of these Block Guys mystery packs. We've done a few already. If you haven't watched those videos, make sure you go and take a look. They're in my playlist somewhere. And yeah, they're the 40th anniversary guys for G1, which is pretty cool if you ask me. And yeah, coming up on my 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on the chances for my giveaways. Again, if you have not watched that video, you can go watch that video as well. So like always, it comes with 2 bags and some instructions and a gel package that we don't need. Here are the instructions like always. All right, so let's see who we got in here today. Open up this pack right here. Oh, something gray. Something gray. I think this might be a Dinobot. Yep, it looks like a Dinobot to me. So open up this pack as well. And who do we got? We have Slag. There you go. And on the back there is one of those codes. I'll leave it there for a second. If you guys want to scan it, you can scan it. So let's see. Things look a little bit different for Slag. So I believe it's this blue piece right here. And we're going to take these Triceratops horns. And they should, maybe not. Hold on a second. Okay, it does say that they go in there. So it's saying that goes in there. It doesn't go in very well, but let's see if we can get this one in. There we go. There we go. There we go. We heard those clicks. That means they're in. So I don't see the second blue piece that they're trying to show here. I only see the one blue piece. See? One blue piece. Confusing. Let's take a look at this real quick. I do not even see the pieces that they are trying to show. I'm like missing pieces here, it seems like. Let's put his body together. Let's just go from there. See, that looks like that piece, but it's not blue, is it? Maybe I'm just crazy, but I don't see all the pieces here. I really don't. I think we're missing pieces. Yep, I definitely think we're missing pieces. I'm just going to put that off to the side for now. And I'm going to open up other boxes just to see. I think I'm missing pieces. I don't know. Maybe I'm going crazy, but something just doesn't seem right. Alright, so that's white pine. One more to go. We'll know if we're actually missing pieces or I'm just going crazy. So here's a whole bunch more pieces for slag. Like, really. Oh, it's weird. It's actually really weird. Okay. So there's 2 piles for slag. And we'll figure this out. So we're already doing all this. Well, let's just build him the normal way. We'll give him his crotch plate first. You know that he needs a crotch plate. All right. We need this weird blue piece. This is for his face. There we go. Where's the rest of his head? So there's his head. And we'll just pop that on there. And that will go on there. These 2 here will go on here and here. Chest and chest. Need that about thingamajiggy. And his legs. Snap them together. And my favorite part, these little pieces that make the joints. Come on. Oh, I did that wrong. There we go. 1 joint. Come on. There we go. 2 joints. And this will just pop in here. And this will pop in here. This can go on here. Turn it around. And there we go. There we go. And of course we need... Come on. There we go. Almost up. There we go. And we can give him his feet. Just like that. Triceratops needs his horns. All right, now we can do his arms again with these joint pieces. All right, so we have those. Go. And shoulder pieces. There we go. So we have this piece, and I'm thinking that this will go in just like that, right? And like that. There we go. And we just need to give him some hands. All we need is some hands. So let's give him these fists. Make sure they're on the right side. There we go. And we can give him his horn. Oh, we forgot about this piece right here. Backtracking. Backtracking. There we go. How is that supposed to go on now? How is that supposed to go on now? I don't think so. Okay. Let me just take a look at this here. Oh, it doesn't even have it on, it looks like. I don't know. Unless it goes completely like that. But then that would never fit on his back. Okay, confusing. Confusing. I'm just not sure. I'm just not sure. All right. I'm just going to leave them like this. And we're going to try to make some headway. After I give him a sword, you know, they always need their sword. Okay, so now he's got a sword. He's all good. Let's see what we can do for this. Okay. That's obviously the body. Okay. So, do. This is gonna go in here. This will go here. And this will go here. All right. One of these clear pieces. Oh, I forgot to do something. Well, that's why it's all loose. Come on, come apart, come apart. It would help if we had these pieces right here. I guess you still need these for transformation, which is all good. There we go. Now we can put this on. Just like that. That will go on there. I don't know, folks. I'm just guessing at this point. There we go. So that goes in there. And this goes in here. Of course, we need these again. And I guess that will just go in there like that. And there we go. Took a little bit. Go. Stay. Okay, don't stay. Alrighty. So we're going to take this piece. Come on. Get in there. That's going to go on there. Go. There we go. All right, so there we go. He's all done. Oh, there you go. Flag in his dyno mode and his robot mode. I just don't understand where this is supposed to go. Now, it don't make no sense why you would put this in there if it doesn't fit in there, but that's okay. So there he is, and here he is with Mr. Optimus Prime. Not too bad if you ask me. So that's about it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my description for all of those awesome websites with discounts that you can get these guys at. Like always, this is Freakenstein saying, keep playing. Freakenstein out.